Hey Brian, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. Really appreciate that. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. Also, this video will give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of you or your company. Looks like this is your website here. By the way, in this video, I'll point out the three key categories that you might want to implement onto your next website project or even SEO. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. It's a simple website, of course. I do see you have a couple images. The navigation is fairly simple, not a lot of pages. All the links seems to be working fine. We have good photos here. So overall, a good website. It's a simple website. However, Brian, not enough content, unfortunately. It looks like this is your home page here. Let me just double click just to make sure. Yeah, this is your home page. So typically you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. If you're 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, pretty much phrases that searchers enter into your search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. And I'll touch a little more on keywords in just a second. However, just remember the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into Arrows. This is a paid tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, this is a great platform to have and monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. The UR and the DR meter here is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website, and that could be as simple as a hyperlink. I'm sure you're familiar, just a simple text. And then they click on it and they will jump over to your website. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory, of course, will be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. Google will give you more of a preference when comparing to other websites. So you currently have 12 keywords, and again, this is very important, the keyword section. Traffic on a monthly basis, you're getting 15 organically. So 15 people are jumping onto your website organically. Backlink 17, referring domains 18. So with what you have here, this is your power of the website, the DR 0.2 and the UR 1.7. So this is not a lot. Unfortunately, you're getting 15 in a monthly basis. You could do better, way better. I'll show you that in just a second. Let's jump over to your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Blake and Sons Landscaping. They don't have a lot of text here. But they do have good quality keywords and good backlinks. Also citations. So if we go onto what they have in the background of their website, they have approximately 44 keywords. Again, inside their website. Traffic, they're getting around 100 organically jumping onto their website. And again, this is just by one keyword, which is landscaping Oregon. Landscaping Bend, Oregon. They're getting 100 onto their website. They're higher up in the rankings. The referring domains, they have 15. Backlinks, they have 134. The DR 0.6 and the UR 3.3, this is not scary at all. This is beatable. You just gotta know how to optimize your website and just continue on a monthly basis. Let's go back here. Looks like this is your website here. I do see at one point, if I could get this to work, you had a 19 would be your highest, and that was back in 2022, November. So 19 people jumping onto your website, that's pretty much at your highest. Going back to theirs, looks like they're in a steady course. They started out low around 58, 97, and then just going on steady. Let's see, 102, 101, 105. So looking at the list of their keywords, this is what I really want, it's hard to, or it's important to understand, I should say. The landscaping Bend, Oregon. So OR for Oregon, of course. This is a good keyword to have on your website inside your content. The search volume in a monthly basis, the 300. So 300 people are searching in Google with this keyword here. This is one to have, of course. So obviously they're not in the first, in the higher up or more power or more optimized. The website is not that optimized, so they're not getting that amount of traffic. But another example would be this keyword here, Bend Landscaping, 150 on a monthly basis. Another good keyword to have. If you were to have, I'm not sure if you have pavers, Bend, Oregon, or hardscaping, this would be another good keyword to have. 100 on a monthly basis, not difficult to rank. So this is what I mean by keywords. This is what you should implement onto your website so you could get more traffic. So again, website to have good quality content with keywords spread it around, of course, good quality keywords, buyer intent keywords, good citations, of course, relevant citations with high power, high authority, and citations. So that's pretty much it. This is what I have for you, Brian. If you are to follow these tips and tricks, I'm sure you could increase your rankings and bring in more calls. If you need help, you could always contact us. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way you won't get these annoying emails from me. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions, Brian. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Take care.